Good morning, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to give you the inside-out tour of this Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. This boat is a 2017. You'll see the settee opening up from bed. It will convert to table with the simple push of a button with the pop-up table. Pretty awesome. When I tell you this boat is clean, I work at a new boat dealership. This is cleaner than anything we have in stock right now. Absolutely fabulous, perfect boat. Got the cool overhead cover here that I can have partial shade or wide open or block out all the sun. Galley has the microwave, nice clean stainless steel refrigerator. Of course, you have a fully enclosed head in the boat, full length mirror, Dometic head, bowl basin, and a very cool wand shower, which will latch up on the wall, and towel hooks. Air conditioning top sides and bottom in this boat. Fusion stereo with controls in 3 places. let's see if it focuses, 65 hours on the generator. The big TV, DVD player. These are the poles for your forward deck sunshade. This of course also converts to sleeping area, and you have a large aft mid cabin. Those are the pads for the bow, which have never been stored outside, also in perfect shape. Beautiful wood stairs. We'll see if the rain stopped yet. Beautiful Garmin touchscreens, 2 of them. Depth finder. That won't focus, but 37 hours on the engines. Of course, these are 350 horsepower, and they're white, and they have the joystick. Nice VHF there. Helm chair has a cover. This is all air conditioned up here. Another cockpit fridge freezer. That big cooler there under my camera bag. Giant settee to port, full hardtop. Now let's slip on the shoes and go out in the rain for you. This is the hard acrylic enclosure. Sorry for the shakiness. You have the standard pull-out seat across the transom, and you have the additional seat on this side. They also have the double tables for up here. Place for your 5-gallon bucket. Slide out Yeti cooler. And the summer kitchen with the grill. Tackle drawers. Now we'll let you see the outside over. The lightning alarms are going off, sorry about that. You'll see the Garmin radar, the spotlight, where your sun pad goes. Beautiful stainless steel anchor and windlass. Not a mark, not a scratch. Be the first, ready to go. Give me a call, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax. 954-684-1375. Thanks.